everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the lovable world of minions. I'm excited to show you something super adorable and fun, a minion keychain. Yes, today we will make minion pack doll keychains. They are my absolute favorites and I'm sure many of you feel the same way. What's not to love about minions? They are funny, adorable and always up to some crazy antics. Beyond their comedy charm, minions have also become symbols of friendship and teamwork. They show us that even the smallest creatures can make a big impact when they work together towards a common goal. Friendship isn't just a word, it's a bond that connects us to others in ways that can't always be put into words. It's about sharing moments of joy, supporting each other through tough times, and simply being there no matter what. Think about your closest friends. They are the ones who celebrate your successes as if they were their own and stand by you during challenges. They are the ones you can laugh with until your stomach hurts and cry with when life gets tough. Alright, we are nearing the finish line with our keychains and just take a look at how adorable they turned out. Stay tuned as we put the finishing touches and unveil our adorable keychains. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming crafting adventures. Thanks for joining me on this creative journey. Let's keep crafting and spreading joy. See you in the next video.